Теперь делаешь глубокий вдох и задерживаем дыхание.
Oh, I was not expecting. Oh my goodness. Oh, I didn't know he did the whole bone setting slap as well. I thought we were almost done here, and he was just like doing his post treatment evaluation, and all of a sudden he winds up and holy cow, we got to go back and watch that. I was not prepared for that. Most replayed. Well, I wonder why. All right, here you go. I don't think she was ready for it either.
Так, расслабь плечи. А еще прижимай. Угу. Хорошо. Теперь делаешь глубокий вдох и задерживаем дыхание. Ну как?
Неожиданно.
He didn't even tell her. Unexpected, suddenly, surprise, yes.
Наш конек.
Oh my
Какие
gosh.
ощущения? Приход в руки,
Why would you do that?
Ну, такая волна.
Why? Why?